You know, some of the best restaurant dishes are so good, and it's not just because of the temperature or the perfect grill marks or the presentation, but it's because of the sauce. The secret is truly in the sauce. Today, we are making a roasted red pepper aioli sauce. This will make any fish, seafood, or crab dish shine. My name is Teresa Von Regan, and welcome to my kitchen. And check out in the description of this video a link of a sneak peek of my next crab recipe, perfectly paired with this aioli sauce. Let's jump in. My ingredients for this recipe are 1/3 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of chopped drained roasted red peppers, 1 tablespoon of chopped chives, 4 teaspoons of lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. And there you have it, the best aioli sauce that'll take your dinner to the next level. To see more videos like this, don't forget to like and smash that subscribe. And at the end of this video, check out my crab dip and crab cake recipe. Bye for now, fam.